Join me as I challenge myself to follow the personal finance tips from DeepSeek AI and see if they can actually make me rich. I've always been fascinated by the idea of using AI to improve my personal finances. I mean, think about it. AI can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that humans might miss. So, I decided to take the plunge and ask DeepSeek AI for personal finance tips. I was curious to see if its advice would be worth following, and if it could actually make a difference in my financial situation. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, struggling to make ends meet, and wondering how to get ahead financially. Budgeting, saving, and investing can be overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. Many of us rely on trial and error, or worse, try to wing it and hope for the best. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you had access to personalized advice that could help you overcome common financial challenges? Take budgeting, for example. So many of us struggle to prioritize our expenses, or we get caught up in the latest get-rich-quick schemes. But what if you had a clear plan that showed you exactly where your money was going, and how to optimize your spending for maximum impact? Or what about saving? How many of us have trouble setting aside money for the future, whether it's for an emergency fund or a long-term goal like retirement? And then there's investing, the ultimate way to grow your wealth, but also the most daunting for many beginners. DeepSeek AI provided me with some incredible insights and strategies that I never would have thought of on my own. One of the first tips it gave me was to track my expenses using a zero-based budgeting system. This meant accounting for every single dollar I earned, and allocating it towards specific categories like bills, savings, and investments. It was tedious at first, but the results were staggering. I was able to identify areas where I was wasting money, and redirect those funds towards more important goals. Another tip was to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, like 401s and IRAs, to supercharge my savings. DeepSeek AI showed me how to optimize my contributions, and even recommended specific investments that aligned with my risk tolerance and financial goals. The results were nothing short of amazing. Within just a few months, I had built up a sizable emergency fund, and was making progress towards my long-term goal. But the real game changer came when DeepSeek AI recommended I diversify my investments by exploring alternative asset classes, like real estate and cryptocurrencies. I was skeptical at first, but the AI provided me with data-driven insights that showed the potential for returns far exceeding traditional stocks and bonds. So, I took the leap, and invested in a real estate investment trust, and even dabbled in cryptocurrency trading. The results were staggering, my net worth skyrocketed, and I was making money hand over fist. It was a pivotal moment, and I knew that I had finally found the key to financial freedom. The advice from DeepSeek AI had worked, and I was reaping the rewards. But here's the thing, it wasn't just about the money. It was about the confidence and peace of mind that came with knowing I was in control of my finances. The experience taught me a valuable lesson, that technology can be a powerful ally when it comes to personal finance. By leveraging the power of AI, I was able to overcome common challenges and achieve financial success. It's a lesson I'll carry with me for the rest of my life, and one that I hope to share with all of you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take control of your finances and see the power of DeepSeek AI for yourself? Leave a comment below with your own finance tips or experiences, and be sure to check out my next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of AI-powered finance.